People are constantly claiming that Enoch Burke was suspended from teaching and arrested because he refused to call a student by their chosen pronouns. That's actually not true. He was suspended in relation to how he spoke to the school's then principal, and he was arrested for breaching a court order to stay away from the school. So back in summer 2022, Enoch Burke interrupted a school church service to voice his opposition to using chosen pronouns. The then principal asked if they could have the conversation at a more appropriate time. He then approached the teacher twice more the same day, allegedly loudly questioning her, to the extent that other people stepped in and stood between them. The reason he ended up in prison is separate again. Burke refused to accept the suspension and kept turning up to the school. The school took him to court, claiming it was disruptive. The court agreed and ordered him to stay away from the school. Burke didn't do that, kept turning up, he was arrested and sent to Mountjoy. His release from prison does not hinge in any way on the use of pronouns or his refusal to use certain ones. Instead, he must commit to following the court's order to stay away from the school.